Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Pinterest history. It's really easy and simple actually to do this. Once you're logged into your Pinterest account, all you need to do is come here at the bottom left. You'll see more options, the settings cog icon. Just go ahead and click on this. And then you see the second option, Home Feed Tuner. Just go ahead and click on this one. And right here, you'll see your feed, the history. So this is from today, and this is from 2 days ago, right? So this is my history. And if I want, what I can do is I can come here to my home. So whenever I open up a pin, it would show up in my history. Let's say I opened up this one, this PayPal balance, right? Now if I come back, let me show you Home Feed Tuner, and then let's go ahead and refresh this. We should see it added as part of my history. There you go. It's really that easy and simple.